It has to be done. It has to be done. Yes, it has to be done. It has to be done. No more delay. Such an uncomfortable task. Embarrassing, embarrassing. Anyway, must get it over with. No, but this is nonsense. After all, am I not an enlightened father? Should be no problem at all. Simply man to man. No beating about the bush. Yes. Well, anyway, here goes. Come along, my boy. Yes, I think the time has come. I would like to have a talk with you. You see, there are certain facts. Let us face it. Now, look at me. I am your father. Am I not? My boy, my dear, dear boy. We must look at life in a sensible way. No nonsense, no mystery, no enigma. What was I going to say? Mystery, nonsense. Yes. You know how it is in nature, how the flowers in spring and the birds in their own way, how they, just let me think now. Yes, of course. And the bees, too. Yes, the bees. And even the butterflies. But just listen carefully, and I will try to explain. When I was a boy, I had to find out by myself about girls. Nobody told me these things. Excuse me, Now, the point is, your dear mother and I remember. I'll never forget the day when we first... Yes, well, that day, what a day. Yes, but let's get on. Yes, we must get on. As I was saying, the birds and the bees and the butterflies. It's all perfectly clear, isn't it? Yes. You see, I said there was no mystery. It simply stands to reason. Well, how time does fly. I suppose young Felicity will be waiting for you. Well, run along now. Goodbye, my boy. I'm very happy to have had this little talk. Here you are. It's no problem for an intelligent father. All one has to do is to stick to the facts of life.